FUDZI PF11 promotional display case line docking. The FUDZI PF11 display case unpacking. Unscrew the top panel of the package. Unscrew the side panels of the package. Unscrew the front and back panels of the package. Unscrew the M12 bolts. Remove the installation boards. Screw in the M12 adjustable supports. Remove the shelves from the display pallets. Remove the display case from the pallet. Align the display case with the adjustable supports. Tighten the display cases with the docking elements. Remove one of the display pallets. Tighten the display case's side walls with screws. Install the display pallets, having removed the protective film beforehand. Place the shelf holders on the display case's docking sidewalls. Warning: the threaded shelf holders have to be installed on the one side. The ones with unlatched hole and screws have to be installed on the other side. Install the shelves. The additional accessories: the protective bumper, the wheel support, the price holders. The FUDZI PF11 promotional display case line now is ready for use.